Welcome to WFixing and welcome to today's video. So we will be solving the problem that is Windows 10 access denied folder errors, that is 5 easy fixes. Okay, so for this problem we will be seeing 5 fixes for this one by one solution. So are you an administrator? Okay, so in the majority of cases you will need to be an administrator on your PC to make changes to file folder ownership. Okay, so you may able to tweak the permission in directions that belong to you, but don't have much control elsewhere. Okay, so first that see your guide to getting admin rights in Windows, that you can see here. It is if you change account setting, you can go here and you can check here if you are local account and I have access of administrator. Okay, so first one is this solution you can implement for that. Second is fix access denied errors by taking ownership. Okay, so for that what you have to do is, the most common fix to try when you see folder access denied is to take ownership of the folder through the file explorer. Okay, and here's how to do this. First, right click on the folder or file in question and select properties. Okay, if I will open here any folder, I will open here file explorer, then you can see here if it's showing here videos folder, then what you have to do is you have to right click here and select the properties. Okay, on the result window, switch the security tab. You can see here the video properties and the folder properties, and switch on the security tab now. So after that what you will see here is, next click on advanced button for more options. So I will click on advanced button. So you can see here the window advanced security settings for videos, and at the top of the next window you will see the file labeled owner. You can see the file labeled owner. Okay, so what you have to see, and this will likely say unable to display current owner. If you are having issue, click the blue change. Okay, so what you have to see is advanced security, see users WFixing. You can see here what is the owner. Okay, current owner is WFixing. Okay, so that's the main reason behind that. And if you click the blue change link next to this fix it, to note that you will need to be an administrator to do. Okay, so if you are not an administrator, you can see here, that is you can click on change. Okay, after that what you have to do is user group or built-in principal. You can form this location object types, and you can go to advanced here and you can change this location. Okay, and you can change the ownership of that file. So this was our second solution, guys. So next solution is review folder permissions. So for that, if taking ownership of a folder doesn't work, or you are an administrator trying to give permissions to someone else, so you should next review what users have which permissions on the folder in question. Okay, pull up the same security tab in a folder properties as before. Okay, so what we have to do is, I will double click on file explorer, again properties, then what you have to do is pull up the same security tab in the folder. So security, at the top you will see at least see a list of users. Okay, system, Lenovo, WFixing and administrators. Okay, so select list of users, you will see there, and group of on your PC, and select an entry here, and the bottom panel will show that permissions they have for this folder. Hit edit button to change the permissions. Okay, so you can see here permissions for Lenovo, permissions for system, permissions for to change permission you can click here on edit, modify, complete read. You can see here all are allowed here. Okay, I will click on OK. Fine. So fourth is double check your antivirus setting. For that what you have to do is, I have to click on antivirus here. So for that you will double click check your antivirus settings, and I will open the antivirus settings here. On that you can see here that ransomware protection. Okay, I don't have the ransomware protection here, but control folder access I have. So I will click quick scan, okay, from here. So you can scan your PC from this panel, etc. So next procedure is what, that is other potential file access. Okay, so access is denied well as that about, okay, fixing destination folder access denied, and all other extra solutions are there. So other potential file access denied fixes that we have fixed already, okay. And fifth is check for file encryption. So another reason you might see the access is denied message is that a folder contents are encrypted. As you may know, encryption protects a file by only allowing someone with the key to view, okay. So thanks for this video guys, hope you guys find your solution in this.